Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick reading for the full moon. Let's have a look how is going to be your full moon energies. This is going to be basically a pick a card reading, so choose a number 1 or 2, whichever pile that you choose. I'll be doing the reading simultaneously. First I'll be doing for pile number 1 and then we'll move to pile number 2. People who have selected pile number 1 or number 1, let's see what we have for them. So first let's see what cycle are you completing this full moon. So I have the High Priestess and the Star card over here. So you are definitely wanting to make a balance. You are trying to make a balance between certain things. बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो एंड उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में यू आर ट्रस्टिंग योर इंट्यूशन एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू मेंटेन द बैलेंस विच यू शुड कंटिन्यू डूइंग सो एंड what you should be releasing this full moon is again I have a positive card, that is Chariot. So whatever you are trying to do by maintaining balance in certain aspect, you are on the right track, but what you need to release what you need to let go is particular full moon में is you need to release your ego, because ego काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ रहा है जो भी आप काम करने जा रहे हो, एंड उसमें ये ईगो की वजह से यू आर unwantedly or unknowingly creating some barriers and hurdles by yourself, which is definitely going to be a difficult task when you want to overcome or complete a task when you will move towards a completion stage. So you need to release your ego factor in this particular full moon. What you need to learn this full moon: you need to learn to have control. You need to learn to have control over your emotions, over your relations, because reacting too much and bringing the ego, as I said, you need to control your ego or release your ego. So if you don't do so, it will somewhere impact your relations is what I see. Let's see what guidance we have for you. Bring love in the situation and luck is on your side. So just you need to bring love, you need to release the ego. Everything is in alignment for you, pile number 1, and just continue doing so, releasing the ego factor, and you are going to soon achieve whatever you are manifesting or working on. Moving to our next pile, for the people who have selected pile number 2, let's see what we have for them. Okay, so people who have selected pile number 1, you are completing a certain cycle in terms of finances is what I see. Along with that, I see there is going to be some new beginnings in terms of your career, in terms of finances, and you need to learn to control your finances. You need to know how to invest and plan your finances well in advance, because pile number 2, I see that you are most of them who are like easygoing, who spend money very easily, who do not give a second thought while spending, no matter what reason it may be. So you need to work upon that factor of yours, because doing so and planning your finances along with a particular plan in your hand and considering a long-term goal is what is required. What you need to release is you need to release the attitude of easy going. The Fool card over here is resembling that. जो भी आपका easy going attitude है, हाँ चलो देख लेंगे, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, just go with the flow is what you hold. जो आपका current attitude है, you need to change this and you need to become more responsible towards your finances is what I see. Let's see what guidance we have for you. A new romantic cycle begins and it's time to release negativity. So pile number 2, you need to release the negativity, and there is some new cycle, new romantic cycle I see is going to begin for you, but an end of tough cycle approaches. So yes, you are towards completion of some difficult time in terms of your career, and along with that completion you will begin some new cycle in your career, in your finances, along with some new relationships. So good luck, pile number 2. Let me know in the comment section if you could resonate with the readings. Also, let me know what should be the next topic that you want a reading on. Stay safe until next time. Thank you.